Hi Katravels, welcome back and welcome to my YouTube channel. And of course, kung bago lang po kayo, kindly please don't forget to click subscribe. And of course, hit the notifications bell so you guys are updated with all the videos that I'm going to upload. And of course, don't forget to like this video. So, it's been like a long time since the last time I uploaded a video. I've been like so busy. Busy lang po ang inyong ka-travels sa trabaho. So, just right now that I was able to get a time to squeeze in to make some new videos. And I promise that I'm going to keep on doing this once again. I mean, I'll be uploading a lot of videos. So stay tuned and of course, don't miss it. Anyway, so ang topic po natin right now, what we are going to talk today is about how we can actually, so since you know naman guys, medyo we've been through a lot, it's been like a year already since we were hit by this pandemic. So what we are going to talk about right now is that since we're into travels, but we can go out, so we will just going to be focusing right now with some important matters that most of the time challenges, issues, and problems, lalo na ng mga tao in love. So, our topic for today is what are the ways to keep our relationship or your relationship strong, healthy, and happy. So, we will gonna give you guys some tips kung ano yung mga do's and mga don'ts. So, at least everybody who are just new in entering to any kind of relationship, nor probably kahit matagal na kayo, sometimes guys, we still need some advices. And I think this is gonna be a perfect opportunity that we talk about this para nagkakaroon din kayo naman ng idea. So, first and foremost is one of the ways, with so many ways, that couples should always understand and should always keep in mind is that never ever argue over money. So, hindi kailangan pinag-aawayan ng mag-partner, mag-jowa, mag-asawa, o kung ano man pagdating tungkol sa pera. Kasi it's the number one, guys. When you guys are keep on talking about money, that's the number one evil that could probably a reasons of you guys having some fight. I mean, ganyan naman daw talaga. I mean, sa isang relasyon, kung sino yung meron, diba siya? Kung sino yung wala. But of course, we also have to do our part to find ways para hindi rin lang din naman tayo umaasa din sa kabila. So, medyo isip-isip din naman. And of course, number 2 is try not to focus on each other mistakes. Kapag nagmahal naman daw talaga tayo, hindi naman tayo kailangan, what we are trying to love to our partner is not the perfections, kung aning the positive side ng taong mahal mo. What we should always focus on is the negative side. Kasi kapag natutunan nating mahalin kung ano yung mga mali niya, and I think we could actually, or you guys could always make your relationship stronger. Dapat ganon, mas minamahal natin kung ano yung mga lapses, pagkukulang, mali ng partner natin, rather than we focus more on kung ano yung maganda, kesyo gwapo ba siya, mapera ba siya, or anything, kasi pag ganun tayo, when we always keep on focusing on the negative side, along the way, we will be learning to accept it. And what we just have to do is probably give some advice on how that person or how your partner can improve and correct that mistakes. The next one is we should always have to share some thoughts, diba? It's better that you guys do have some sharing of ideas together. Topics that you think that would be profitable for both of you. That will be an advantage for both of you. And kapag ganun kasi, mas madali or mas nagagawa natin na maging maayos yung pagsasama. The number 4 is be friendly. Ayan. So, dapat, bilang partner natin, we also consider that special someone as our best friend or a friend. No secrets, no lies, walang mga tagong sikreto or anything else. Kasi gano'n naman, diba? Sometimes, in life, in our lives, when we are on the hard times of our lives, sometimes we always need some friend to cry on or shoulder to lean on. And I think it's better na yung partner natin is we consider as our friend. Kasi when we consider that person as our friend, I think that person can always give us the best advice or ideas. So, hindi na siya lumalaki. Number 5, resolve arguments together. Ang partnership, guys, or when we are in a relationship, if we do have some difficulties, problems, obstacles that we encountered along the way, there is no perfect, by the way, there is no perfect relationship. And sabi nga nila, problem makes the relationship stronger. So, it's better na you guys do help each other, giving advices from one another, and trying to resolve every issues that you guys do have in life. Kasi kapag nagtutulong kayo, I think mas napapadali and napapabilis kung paano nyo ma-resolve ang isang problema. Hindi nyo kailangan sabi ko nga diba from the previous na we don't need to hide. Kasi if we do trust our partner, if we do love our partner, we learn to trust. And if we trust, then wala tayong kailangan itago or hindi natin kailangan magtago ng kahit anong sekreto. The next one is number 6. First, number 6, this is very important that we always have to show some affections daily. So, our relationship, guys, to make it more stronger, there should always the renewal. Or we always have to make everyday giving importance from one another, showing some love, showing some care. Seems that you always have to show some that you're worried, that you always wanted the best. And ayun, so that's the number 6, I think. And number 7, we also have to recognize that all relationships have ups and downs. Ganun naman daw talaga. Kahit saan naman. You know, relationship should always just like a wheel. It's just like a wheel na sometimes you're ups and sometimes you're down. And you also have to encounter issues. Hindi daw masaya ang isang relasyon kung wala namang problema kinakaharap. So, given lagi yun. And we should always be ready when times, you know, when time comes that we face the difficulties in a relationship, that you guys do encounter some issues or problems, you just better have to focus more on finding a solutions and how you could resolve it rather than hiwalay na tayo, tapusin na natin to, it's the end of the relationship. Kasi that won't help at all. Okay? And of course, number 8 is that we should also know how to respect each other when we are arguing. So kapag alam mo na masama ang loob ng partner mo, you should also learn how to be the water over the fire. So dapat matuto tayong mag-adjust. Hindi kailangan lahat ng laban ating susugurin or lalabanan. So we should also have, sabi nga guys, patience is a virtue. And of course, number 9, have each other's back. Whatever the problems na meron ng isa, dapat laging andun sa isa nakaalalay. So, in other words, kailangan lagi kayong tulungan. Kasi kapag ganun ginagawa nyo, I think hindi na siya maghahanapan ng iba. Kasi every time na magkakaroon siya ng problema or issues, ikaw yung una niya may isip na alam niya pwede niyang takbuhan. And I think, the last but not the least, it is very important that couples should always have a goal. Dapat meron kayong goal that you set. Ano ba yun? Just like, syempre, di ba, you always, you're looking forward for a long term. And it's not gonna be just for a short term. So, dapat meron kayong tina-target na goal. Hindi lang puro love. Syempre, you could also have some business. Ayun. Ano ba yung gusto nyo 5 years from now? Or a year from now? 5, whatever, kung ano gusto nyo, dapat meron kayong goal na laging tina-target that you guys wanted to attain in life. And I think kapag ganun yung process, and we keep on doing the same thing over and over again with those ways that I mentioned, I think, sabi nga, there is no perfect relationship, but we could always be a perfectionist. Hindi natin kailangan guys magpaka-perfecto or walang perfecto, pero kaya naman natin naging perfecto. Parang gulo. So, yun na yun. Alright, so I hope guys, you've learned something on it, on how you guys could do it more stronger, more healthier, and ayun, trust lang din. So, thank you so much. By the way, plug in ko lang kung guys at Katravels, please do support the following YouTube channels. Right, I'm going to post through this screen right after this, and pakisuportahan na lang din po. Super thank you so much. Kung I hope nagustuhan nyo and you guys learn something from it. Until next time po ulit, this is Isabel Santiago saying mabuhay.